It's a totally a waste of time, but I just find it so satisfying. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So I came back home with a surprise. You got mail. I got mail. So this is a loser unboxing. Every time anything sent to my home, loser unboxings. Oh, whoa. URL. Oh, I love this packaging. Oh my goodness, I can reuse this Ziploc bag. Can I? How do I? Oh, I need to cut it, right? I think I need to cut it. Otherwise, I do not need. Luckily, I did not cut it off. It can work like this. Oh, this is a smart design. Yeah, this is a very, very smart design. Okay, let's take a look. Let's keep on. We take a look of it. And this is a loser unboxing. I bought it myself. You know, I am about to travel. And even without travel, sometimes I need to have a pair of glasses for driving. At my age, my eyes needs different glasses. I need for driving use and to see further distance. If I go to museum, I have two pairs of glasses. One is for a little bit further away, one is close up. And to the degree, sometimes I put these two pair of glasses together to see something. So this is, I'm sorry for the background noise. I think my voice is overpowering the background. So I bought this one. I think this one is in Spain. I bought this one in Spain and Valencia or what is that? Finally, I found it. Yeah, it's in the flamenco place in Andalusia. Maybe Seville, maybe Granada, maybe Cordoba. I forgot what exactly city I bought it. This one is from Ali Hop. If you go to Spain, and you will see this kind of shops chain everywhere. Anyway, so when you travel, at least you need 2 or 3 pairs of glasses. If one pair got broken in the middle of the way, because I always buy cheap glasses, so even expensive glasses, sometimes it got broken, you need to have another pair to prepare. So I searched online. That's enough waiting time, right? Look at it. And it has a unique shape. Look at it. Oh, it's better to have something white under it. Today I am wearing blue. This will be perfect. Oh my goodness, there is a green one. I think, 4 pairs. And all 4 pairs, blue light, diffusion, and a little bit reflecting, diffusion. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? So today, my clothes, you will take a look. I have green and blue, but I feel this one. And I have a little bit purple. Let's try them on. Oh. Okay, now let's take a look. Okay, now let's take a look. So this is my normal Costco glasses, and this is my without glasses. And let's try this one, purplish. It's quite big, actually. I will take it out. I do not need it. Okay, this way a bit better. I cannot see my eyebrow. Oh, it's very clear to see further away. Okay, and this green one. Oh my goodness, a little bit too much, right? I cannot see my eyebrow, but it's very large, so the the view is relatively good, so that you can, and not too big that it changed the curve of it. It did not. And here is the other one, the blue one. Ooh, oh my goodness. This goes with the blue shirt, right? Still, I cannot see my eyebrow. So I do not need to put my eyebrow, actually. I can save time to do the makeup, right? That's a good thing. And black. Oh my goodness. This looks like the studio, animation studios character. Now, my Costco stuff. I think this is pretty good. I can see my eyebrow and everything. And now, this is the Spain, Andalusia. That's a little bit funny. Let me see if I have other things to show you. And this one, I cannot. This is a close-up reader. Oh, I can see myself so clear. You know, I didn't put eyelash mascara. Okay, bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Let's do which one as the end game. Okay, we will use this one as the end game.